Hello, we'll be taking square root in our today's mathematics. We have on the board, find the square root of the following numbers. Number one, we have find the square root of 25. In order to find the square root of 25, we have to use long division. We look for a number that can divide 25, which is 5. 25 divided by 5, we have 5. The number that can divide 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5, we have 1. Now we pick it in the group of 2's due to its square root. We pick out 1, 5. So the square root of 25 is 5. Number 2, square root of 81. We look for a number that can divide 81, which is 3. We pick them one after the other. 8 divided by 3, we have 2. Remainder 2. 21 divided by 3, we have 7. A number that can divide 27, which is 3. 27 divided by 3, we have 9. A number that can divide 9, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. We pick them in the group of 2's. 1, 2. So we have 3 times 3, which is 9. So the square root of 81 is equal to 9. Number 3, square root of 16. We look for a number that can divide 16. Let's use 2. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. A number that can divide 8, 2. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. A number that can divide 4, which is 2. 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. Pick them in the group of 2's. We have 2 times 2. So the square root of 16 is equal to 4. 2 times 2. Number 4, square root of 100. A number that can divide 100, let's use 2. 100 divided by 2, we have 50. 50 divided by 2, we have 25. A number that can divide 25 is 5. 25 divided by 5, we have 5. And 5 divided by 5, we have 1. We pick them in 2's. 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Number 5, square root of 64. We use 2 to divide 64. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. Can use 2 again. 3 divided by 2, we have 1, remainder 1. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. Can use 2. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. Can use 2 again. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. And 2 divided by 2, we have 1. Pick them in group of 2's. 2, 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Thanks for joining us in today's class.